Today, we're diving into the 2025 Fiat Tipo, a compact car that has always been known for its practicality, affordability, and European charm. For 2025, Fiat has given the Tipo a refreshing update, making it more competitive than ever in the compact segment. Whether you're in the market for a stylish family hatchback or a versatile sedan, the 2025 Tipo might just surprise you. Let's start with the exterior. Fiat has sharpened the Tipo's design with a more modern and dynamic look. The front fascia now features a sleeker grille with the updated Fiat logo proudly displayed in the center. LED headlights and daytime running lights give the Tipo a more premium and contemporary feel. The lines are cleaner, the stance is sportier, and the overall presence is more assertive on the road. You can also expect new color options and alloy wheel designs that add to its visual appeal. Under the hood, Fiat offers a range of efficient powertrains to suit various needs. In many markets, the Tipo comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with mild hybrid technology. This setup not only improves fuel efficiency, but also reduces emissions, a win-win for environmentally conscious drivers. Power output sits around 130 horsepower, which is more than adequate for daily commuting, urban driving, and even longer road trips. Paired with a dual-clutch automatic transmission, the driving experience is smooth and responsive. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a surprising level of refinement. Fiat has clearly worked to upgrade the materials and overall layout. Soft-touch surfaces, updated trim options, and a more ergonomic design make the interior feel more upscale than previous generations. The center of attention is the updated infotainment system, a 10.25-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster also adds a high-tech feel, giving the driver all the essential information with clarity and style. In terms of space, the Tipo continues to impress. There's ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a solid choice for small families or anyone who regularly travels with passengers. The trunk space is generous as well, especially in the sedan and station wagon variants. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with optional leather upholstery available on higher trims for those who want a touch of luxury. Safety-wise, the 2025 Fiat Tipo includes a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking are either standard or available, depending on the trim level. These technologies bring peace of mind and elevate the Tipo's standing in a competitive market. Fiat has also focused on keeping the Tipo affordable, which has always been one of its biggest selling points. Even with the modern updates and added tech, it remains one of the more budget-friendly options in the compact car class. This balance of value, design, efficiency, and practicality makes the 2025 Fiat Tipo a compelling choice for many drivers. So, if you're looking for a smart, stylish, and sensible car that won't break the bank, the 2025 Fiat Tipo definitely deserves a closer look. Fiat has refined what was already a solid package and added just the right amount of flair to make it stand out. Thanks for watching The Best Cars. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews, news, and updates. See you in the next video.